Hi guys, welcome back. This is Aiden from Tiny Board. Today I will show you a new electric skateboard, Tiny Mini 2. Okay, let's have a look. This is the most powerful shortboard on the market. It's a 12S 50.4 volt high voltage electric skateboard. It will get more power, more efficiency, and less voltage sag. It will improve the riding experience a lot. You will feel this board is always very powerful when you ride it, and you couldn't feel the voltage sag. Voltage sag is very frustrating for many boards, but not for this board because it doesn't have this problem. And many customers complain that nowadays many brands use the unknown or poor quality battery cells. Yes, it's a problem. So we decided to fix it. We use the famous mono-cell battery cells, which is more reliable, more powerful, and more circle life. And we offer two kinds of batteries, the 216 and the 363 watt-hour batteries. And the 363 watt-hour battery is the biggest capacity on the market. The battery is the most important and the most expensive part in a board, so it's very important to use the good quality battery in your board. And we also use the Hopwing ESC, which is famous for the smooth control and reliable quality. The voltage is 50.4 volts. It has more power and higher max speed. And we cooperate with Hopwing to integrate the ESC directly on the Reddit. When the wind blows in this direction, it will take away the heat. So it will get burst heat dissipation and there is no overheating. And we also use the very powerful motors, two 850 watt Bent motors. Equipped with the 12S power system, it's the most powerful shortboard on the market. And we also offer the hub motor option. And the ESC can swap to different motors freely, which means if you get the bent motor version in the beginning, and if you want to change it to the hub motors, you can just buy two hub motors and swap it with the same ESC. It's very convenient. And we also add a built-in brake net on the board. And there are three flash modes. The first, it will light up when you brake, and you can change it by your remote. The second mode, it will flash. And the third mode, it will always light up. So you can control it by your remote. And we also add the front pad and the brake pad on the board. This is the brake pad. It will protect the deck when it touches the ground. And this is the front pad. It will protect the deck when it touches something. It's simple and small, and they are all made of nylon plus fiberglass. It's very high strength and it will protect your board very well. So overall, it's the best shortboard on the market. For the power, it's the most powerful shortboard on the market. And for the range, the mono-cell 363 watt-hour battery will help you get the longest range. And for the battery, The molten cell battery is very famous and reliable. And for the quality, we all use the top grade components on this board. So if you want a great short board, you can just get it. If you like our video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Next time, we will show you our new watering board, Tiny Explorer, the best watering board on the market. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Bye.